Do you get up in the morning with a headache or with a little bit of jaw pain on either sides, or do you feel that your teeth have become a little sensitive over a period of time? You might be grinding your teeth in the night without noticing it. This is called bruxism. Bruxism can be prevented by selective occlusal adjustment, and the damage to the teeth can be prevented by using a night guard. We at Colonel's Dental Spa specialize in treating bruxism. If you feel that any of these symptoms are something that you are facing, visit Colonel's Dental Spa today. This is Dr. Sharma from Colonel's Dental Spa, Bangalore, India.